Well, we are nearing the end of summer, so I thought maybe I'd make some type of summer salad that you could take to a picnic or a barbecue to end off the summer. Well, you know what? I heard of this very unusual pasta type salad. It's called spaghetti salad. Let me show you how to make it. We're going to start with a pound of spaghetti. Boil it. You need to chop up some red onion, cucumber, tomatoes, and pepperoni. Drain it and rinse it in cold water. Put in a bowl. Add red onions, cucumber, tomatoes, and pepperoni. Next, you need to add some vinaigrette. I'm going to try this roasted garlic vinaigrette. Just squirt it on top. It calls for like a cup of vinaigrette. Give it a toss. Next, I'm adding a Parmesan mozzarella cheese blend. Give it a final toss. And serve. Spaghetti salad. Very easy, very tasty, and perfect for a picnic. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. Did you know if you take the first 2 letters of all 7 Harry Potter books, it forms a secret code word? Ha 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 ha!